This is more for our staff. Some of you have had problems with your MacBooks and not being able to either get a piece of software installed because of uh, mostly because of security issues on the MacBook. Some may be getting pop-up windows and whatnot, specifically on Google Drive, the Google file stream system, if you've installed that. So that's kind of what I'm going to cover on this, on how to take care of the pop-up messages, and you're constantly hitting the allow button and it doesn't seem to be helping. It's real easy. Once you've installed the file stream system from the self-service location, you just need to go in and go to your system preferences, and then you go to security and privacy, and then you'll go down to files and folders, and you'll see an option in here for Google File Stream app. You just need to make sure that all of this is checked through here so that it has full control, the downloads folder and the desktop folder. And then also under the General tab, there'll be an option here for you to approve it. You will have to unlock your MacBook, or unlock the security preferences. You just enter in your password. This is the password that you use to log into the computer. And then it'll authenticate and it'll show unlocked, and then you can change these settings. But I hope this helps, and if you guys have any other questions, just send me an email. I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.